I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the amazing reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Laxmi Nagar, Delhi NCR. When it comes to reverse engineering, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to company for all your needs. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, they provide top-notch services that are unparalleled in the industry. Reverse engineering services are vital in today's fast-paced world where innovation and advancement are the keys to success. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands this and offers a wide range of services to help businesses stay ahead of the competition. From product design and development to analysis and optimization, they have got it all covered. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering exceptional results and exceeding client expectations. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They strive to provide innovative solutions that meet the unique needs of each client, whether it's reverse engineering a product to improve its performance or recreating a discontinued part. They have the expertise to deliver outstanding results. Their attention to detail and precision in every project is commendable. Located in Laxmi Nagar, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently accessible for businesses in the region. This means that local companies can take advantage of their exceptional services without having to look elsewhere. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the local market and its specific requirements, making them the perfect choice for businesses in the area. Don't miss out on the opportunity to work with this outstanding company and take your business to new heights. One of the most remarkable aspects of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's reverse engineering services is their attention to detail. They leave no stone unturned in ensuring that every aspect of a product is thoroughly analyzed and understood. Their team of experts meticulously dissects and examines each component, using advanced techniques and tools to gather accurate data. This attention to detail allows them to create highly precise and accurate digital models that replicate the original product with utmost precision. Another standout feature of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's reverse engineering services is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every client has unique requirements, and they go above and beyond to tailor their services accordingly. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large-scale industrial application, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise and resources to handle it all. They work closely with their clients, understanding their specific needs and providing customized solutions that exceed expectations. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from its competitors is their use of advanced technology and software. They utilize state-of-the-art scanning equipment and powerful software programs to capture detailed 3D images of the original product. This allows them to create accurate